So I carry these little Altoids fire kits in all of my packs. They're all mostly the same. Some are a little bit different. Most of them I have fat wood in. This one I don't, because it's in one of my packs with a twig stove, so I keep my fat wood with my twig stove with this one. So in here I have some char cloth, and I have a couple of strands of the fire cord out of 550 cord, some twine, a few matches, and these here are just cotton pads that I soaked in wax. And I have a little lighter, and in here I have cotton balls dipped in Vaseline. They actually burn for quite a while, so I kind of like them. And the kits change sometimes. They sometimes add things to them and subtract things from them. All depends. Well, basically that's what I carry in my fire kit. Sometimes I attach a ferro rod to it, but I usually carry extra ferro rods anyway. They're in all my packs too, so I don't usually have one with the actual fire kits.